How to cook Nyonya Ayam Masak O. You need 3 pieces of whole chicken drumsticks, 4 potatoes, 90 grams of garlic paste, 50 grams of sliced ginger, some salt, 70 grams of minced tauchu, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and some water. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Marinate the chicken drumsticks with a little bit of salt. Step 2. Saute the ingredients. First, heat the wok on medium heat. Then, pour some oil. Next, fry the ginger slices until fragrant. When the ginger starts to turn a little brown, add in the garlic. Give them a good stir until they turn slightly brown. Once both the ginger and garlic are golden brown and fragrant, mix in the tauchu. At this stage, make sure your fire is low so that the tauchu will not burn. Then add in a little bit of water. Next, put in the chicken drumsticks and stir until they are half cooked. You may add some water if it is too dry. Halfway through, add more water. Add in around 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for a darker color. Next, add more water according to how much soup you want. Let it come to a boil. Skim the foam from the surface of the soup. Lastly, add in the potatoes. Give it a taste to see if it needs any adjustments. Delicious! Let it continue to boil until the potatoes are tender and the chicken is cooked. Once the potatoes are tender, you can turn off the fire. Now, your Nyonya Ayam Masak O is ready. This portion is for 3 servings. It is recommended to pair your Ayam Masak O with rice and sambal belacan. It will enhance the flavor even more. Enjoy! That is all for today. Thank you for watching.